Okay, now let's proceed number 8. We have enthalpy of helium at 300 Kelvin, where this is the temperature. This is the pressure, 180 M. This is the specific enthalpy, H. And the specific internal energy at the same T and P. This is internal energy. Calculate the specific molar volume at this T and P. So we need to find specific molar volume. Now how to solve this? Okay, we have learned this equation. This is the equation for specific enthalpy, where we have specific enthalpy equals specific internal energy plus pressure times with specific volume. Okay, this is given in the question. Okay, the specific enthalpy, which is 6295. The internal energy is 3800. Then we have the pressure here, but it is not in SI unit. That's why we need to convert from ATM to kilopascal. This is the relationship. 1 ATM equals 101.3 kilopascal. Okay, and then this will be our specific volume. This is what we are looking for. So just rearrange the formula, solve the value given in the formula, and then you will get the value of specific volume.